Now let's try citing a newspaper article. The little bit of a cheat that I used with the Atlantic Monthly won't work for the New York Times, so I'm going to need to go over here to the all 59 options, click on that, and find newspaper article. I will tell you I looked to see if it would search for the article, but it wouldn't and would not auto-cite it. I think that's because it's the New York Times. So we're going to the online version because that's where I found this article. Now again, I have to ask myself, was it published directly online or was it originally in print? Now in this case, I looked at the article and down here on the bottom, it says a version of this op-ed appeared in print on August 28th. So I do need to cite that it was originally in print. So what is the title of the article? Here I'm going to put cold cases of the Jim Crow era. I need to go find the article's authors, and they are here. So I'm going to get that information and put it into EasyBib, and making sure that I put it in the order that they ask for it. So first name, Margaret Burham. There was a second contributor, so I'm going to add a second one. Margaret Russell. The newspaper title was the New York Times. It helps when you spell things right. Obviously, I don't have to include the city if it's not in the title. They give you that kind of information here. This advanced information I also got from the bottom of the New York Times article here. So it was the New York edition. It was section A. It was published on the 28th of August in 2015. It was on page A23. Now it wants the website publication information, which is going to be very repetitive. It's still the New York Times. There is the URL. It was also electronically published on August 2015, but I looked at it on the 31st of January 2017. Of course, I could have also clicked today. And we're going to create the citation. So this is a very complicated example, but sometimes these citations do get complicated. And then there is the information you need. And I can copy and paste the information. Again,